Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a simple iron sword that goes up and down that you can use for enemy drops or loot. And we're going to go ahead and get started by making this sword. Now swords are pretty simple. They're actually one of the very first things that I learned how to make in pixel art. And we're just going to make a quick simple iron sword. A little bit of highlight. And add like a little blue hint. Then create the handle. Doesn't have to be super fancy since the main focus of this is animating it. And if you want to be fancy about it, you can add some variation of the wood. That's why it's not all one color. There you go. Simple, quick iron sword. The reason why I have these lines is because these are the lines that I'm going to use to animate. And you'll see what I mean. I'm going to grab my ellipse tool and pick a ray down. And it seems a little bit down, but you'll see why I did that. All right, so now we can go ahead and start animating it. Oh, I just realized I messed up that sword. We're going to go ahead and add a frame. Now, remember, frame 1 is going to be your starting point. We're going to take this and just move it up 1 pixel. Onion skin turn on. We're going to grab the shadow and just bring the pixels 1. That's frame 2. Frame 3, we'll repeat the process. Go up. Grab these pixels in. 1. And then I'm going to delete this one. And then you can hit play to see what you're doing. We're going to add another frame. This is frame 4. Go up. And take pixels and bring it in. All right. So the reason why I have these lines here is so I can see where my starting point is and where the last frame that I want it to be. So frame 5 is just going to mirror frame 3, 6, 2, and 7, 1. So we're going to go ahead and add a frame. Now I am actually going to delete this. Go back to our frame 3. Grab all that, copy, paste. Add another frame. Grab that, delete that. Go to frame 2. Then paste. Same thing with frame 1 and 7. Then delete that. Go back to frame 1. Copy and paste. As you can see, that already looks decent, but now we want to go down. So again, think of frame 1 and 7, your starting point. So we're going to go ahead and add another frame. This would be frame 8. I'm going to grab your sword, bring it down. For the shadow, I'm actually just going to add pixels. All right, that's frame 8. Frame 9, same thing. Down. And the pixels. Frame 10. Down. at pixels. Alrighty. So now we got to do the opposite. So we're going to go to frame 11, and that's going to reflect frame 9. So we're going to delete this. Now frame 10. So we go to frame 9. Grab that. Paste. Same thing with frame 12. Grab that. Copy. Paste. Oh, I'm going to copy the wrong one. I did. Delete that. Frame 8. There we go. And then we're back to the start. Grab that. Be back to the original frame. Go. And there you go. A quick, simple tutorial on how to do a drop animation for pickups. Now you can have coins, gems, potions, whatever it is that you want to make. This concept works for pretty much anything. And in game engine, you can control the speed. Right now, this is the speed that is default in Aseprite, but we can go ahead and grab our properties. Let's do it by. There you go. It's slowed down a bit, as you can see. And let's say we want to do fast. Obviously, that's a little bit too fast. So we're going to go back to frame or millisecond. And there you go. That is how you do a quick, simple sword tutorial on how to animate it to make it look for a drop. If you like this type of content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.